Today we have a Model Y in that's getting every window tinted, including the front windshield and glass roof. This is the only option if you want to have a chance against the Texas heat. There's hundreds of tint brands out there, but we're not going to talk about all of them. Nope, we're only going to talk about one of them, and it's probably the only one you need to know if your main priority is blocking the heat. And that tint is Photosync IRD. This is objectively the highest blocking tint we've seen in the last decade, and numbers prove that. In a previous episode, I showed you how to compare window tints across brands so you can find the best one for you. I'll link that down below, but today I'll quickly demonstrate why this is the best tint out there. Here's a lamp that puts out a lot of heat, and below is a BTU meter that reads how much heat it puts out. The higher the number, the hotter it is. And as you can see, with no tint on the glass piece, it reads about 240 BTUs. When I spin the glass to a basic entry-level tint, it drops down to about 220 BTU. But notice what happens when we spin the glass over to Photosync. Again, here's no tint on the glass, and here's Photosync. We dropped from 240 BTUs to only 17 BTUs. That's it. That's a 93% drop. Imagine having something like that on all your windows. Your interior is going to be way more comfortable than ever before. Here's what it looks like during the installation. Tint gets prepped on the outside, but it gets put in on the inside. For the final result, we have 30% on the sides and back, giving you more privacy, and same goes for the sunroof. The front windshield is really light, at 70% for the visibility, but the heat rejection is still very strong, so you're getting heat rejection all around. You'll notice that the view from the inside is very clear, even on the back windows compared to the view from the outside looking in. You get the bonus of a darker, more private cabin, but with the visibility you need. If you want to learn more about Photosync IRD, check out the links down below.